Use an asterisk screwdriver to remove the bottom to pentagonal screws. Then place the suction cup at the bottom corner of the screen. Be careful to lift up a gap. Gently lift from the left to the right as the axis points to the right. After lifting the screen, you need to hold an object to support the screen panel. Then lift the battery up to remove the old battery. Remove the battery protective cover. Remove the adhesive backing and tear off the covering film. Align the battery with the position and install it into the body. Cover the screen and turn on the phone to check if all functions are working properly. After testing normally, lightly press the edges of the body. Open the settings. Check if the battery is functioning properly. If it is normal, the installation is successful.